Gwalia Stores. Do you like shopping? We have an old shop here at St Fagans National Museum of History. Have you seen it? It's called Gwalia Stores. It shows us what shops looked like in the past. This one is from Ogmore Vale and is decorated as it would have been a long time ago in the 1920s. Does it look like the shops you visit? How is it different? A long time ago, village shops looked very different. They were called general stores. Look at the picture again. Can you see things hanging up outside? What are they? They are tin baths. This part of the shop is called the ironmongers. They would sell all the things you would need to keep your house and yourself clean. Imagine you've bought a scrubbing brush from the ironmonger. Can you scrub the floor with your new brush like they did a long time ago? Shall we sing while we scrub? This is the way we scrub the floor, scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor, it's tidy now, hooray! This is where we would find our groceries. There are lots of nice things to buy. Tins and dried goods, butter, cheese and meat, crackers and biscuits. Instead of using a trolley like we do today, the shopkeeper would get everything you needed for you. Can you pretend to be a shopkeeper?